your skills and talents will shock them. Now, the thing is, I feel like this person, whoever these people are, right, they know that you're the real deal. They know that you're the truth in whatever area of work that you belong to, which is one of the reasons why they try to sabotage, or for some of you, I'm hearing that they try to downplay you, they try to downplay your goals, they try to tell you that you're dreaming too big. You know, unfortunately, you could have been around people that were dreaming too small. You're going to show these individuals, whoever they are, that you can actually have it all. Now, nothing is perfect, right? But you create your own magic. You know, life is what you actually make it. You choose who you want to hang around with. You choose the type of people who you want to date, who you want to befriend. You know, so when things start to pop off, you can't then complain and say, oh, this, that, and the other, because whoever you're around, they show you who they are, right? Whatever situation you're getting into, you know the situation, right? You feel it out. Well, you should do anyway, but you can foresee how a situation will transpire, right? But you are going to be very intentional in regards to getting what you want. This is going to require you to be working behind the scenes. This is going to require you to be very strategic in regards to how you go towards your goals, switching things up, not doing things that you had done in the last season. It's going to require a lot. So therefore, your focus is going to be shifted onto you and onto bettering yourself. Meanwhile, this individual or these individuals may have felt, or they will feel, that you've fallen off, you've given up, because they do, and you've quit. You've quit whatever it is. You've quit this goal that you're going toward. You've quit trying to get that high position job. You've quit, you know, dating. You've quit trying to launch some sort of business idea. You've quit trying to go to the gym. You know, you've quit trying to move home. There's something about them not knowing what you're doing, making them feel smug, making them feel like, oh, he or she's quiet. Yeah, they've given up. I knew they'll never do it. Something of that sort. But whatever they were doing in the background, I feel like they have been trying to sabotage you with the 10 of Wands here. They're going to get the shock of their life, because they're going to see or hear that you have moved forward with your goals, with your plans, and you're going to be unstoppable. You're going to be so unstoppable. I just saw an image of Christopher Reeve, Superman, in his cape. They're going to think you're not human when they realize that what you have been working on is something that they couldn't even comprehend. You're going to shock these individuals in a way whereby they're going to be wondering, how did you get so much energy to pursue this goal? How come you didn't give up? Now, this goal is going to be something. This goal is going to be a big deal. This is the type of thing that is going to touch people from all over the world. You know, you're not supposed to stay small. Your skills and talents are going to be universal in regards to connecting with others. It may even require you traveling. Some of you are going to start traveling the world. Some of you are going to start launching your business overseas. Some of you are going to, I don't know, like collaborate with people overseas. You're going to be very well respected. And this person or these people are going to hear about it. Maybe they didn't respect you because they don't respect themselves. And they're going to have to wait some more for your downfall. Because the same energy that they took to try and stifle your career could have been the same energy they took to better their own life. You are going to get into that position of power. And I'm hearing, how do they do it? Because of your self-belief, because of your faith, because of you minding your own business and staying in your own lane, because of your ranking in the spiritual realm. Whatever you have put out, you will receive, and you are going into your good karma season. Nothing is by accident. Sometimes the most painful situations we go through, it does shape us, but we should learn lessons from those situations. And you have been through your fair share, my darling, and this is your season of growth. This is your season of winning. And the thing is, what you're doing is not only going to benefit you, it's going to benefit the collective. And this is why this person needs to stop. You are a leader. You are here to teach others just like yourself that they can lead too. You are supposed to shine your light. You are supposed to uplift the collective. You are supposed to inspire. Your creativity is supposed to empower. You are supposed to show the world that you can live out your dreams. You can create your own magic. You just have to believe. It's going to leave a lot of people heartbroken because you are moving towards the Ten of Pentacles. Now, the Ten of Pentacles talks about legacy, prestige. You know, this is a card that talks about being financially and, in my view, spiritually abundant so that your children, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren can all live abundantly and not suffer the way that your ancestors did. You are the generational curse breaker, and nothing or no one is going to stop you, because if they try and stop you, they're going to be met with backlash and it's not going to end well. So continue on your goals, continue focusing on what you are here to do. Keep being the amazing you. Keep being the best version of yourself. Do not stoop to underhanded means. Do not take any shortcuts, because your destiny is so bright and beautiful, TikTok family. And these people know it. That's why they try their little tricks. All you need to do is just focus on you, and everything will work out the way it's supposed to. Take care of yourself. I love you. Peace out.